If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. As you can see from the title, I'm wearing this lovely unit from ft.AshiMary Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x6 transparent lace ash balayage blonde lace wig unit, and it is in 22 inches and 250 density. I'm loving the side part I did for today's tutorial. It was super easy to install, and I melted my lace using two things. I'm loving everything about this. The hair is nice and gorgeous, and if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. In today's video, I pretty much showed you how I did this quick and easy install, so let's jump into today's tutorial.
Stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water. Eating like I'm underworld. Had my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm of the underworld. 12 treat a nigga like he 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? All level, I am the I am. Now film it with the drone cam in the pink like Killer Cam. Zone one, I stick, no way. Up so close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, it's good. Think about eyes back in, let's go. Rolling, ride, rolling when you ride. Top one, street acting, turned the lights, I'm dirty like the God. 2016, run some this. 2017, ideas playing off the Walkman. This a code, not a click on the net. With a cup, in a cup, activate. That's a double edge, it's a knife. And I don't like to fight, I'm fighting. Revenge in the air makes my lungs sick. Chopper in the sky like a gun trick. Clips on clips like Mike. It's really all. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind. See both sides of the 12. See both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their hell. Sleet snow grind for the well. Whole team diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. You need a cosign for your help. I need that bitch to grind on my belt. I know you need to drive for my belt. I know you seen it drive in itself. No matter on the ride, cause it's stale. But it's still, I see both sides like Chanel. I see both sides like Chanel. My pockets snug. They can't hold my 7. They ban my Visa. My Amex and MasterCards. I got new money and it's all cash. I got blue bags and they all collapsed. Spend a bunch of $1,000 Delta gift cards. I mean my baby boy, amazing the cash on no. I mean my baby boy, blazing the dash, got money at home. My pockets snug, they can't hold my 7. They ban my Visa, my Amex and MasterCards. I got new money and it's all cash. I got blue bags and they all collapsed. I rubber band a bunch of $1,000 Delta gift cards. I mean my baby boy, amazing the cash on no. I mean my baby boy, blazing the dash on money.
Dangerous, been so lost without you all around me. Get anxious, need
ft.AshiMary hair, and they went ahead and sent me their 13x6 transparent lace frontal wig unit in the blonde balayage color. It is in 22 inches and they're 250 density. This unit is just pretty much on the full side. It's not super duper thick, it's just really nice and full. It's not giving thin at all, it's not giving flimsy or synthetic. I'm really living for this color, this ash color, because honestly it just does everything for this unit in terms of highlight and my skin tone. So you have a bit more of dark roots going on, and I'm living for that, and I didn't have to do that. So this is very dark skin girl friendly. So if you were on the market for a blonde unit and you didn't know which one to get, I would highly recommend this one. The lace melted into my skin really well, and I'm just living for this install. She's really eating right now. I decided to do baby hairs on this go and a side part. This 13x6 unit allows me to do a very nice deep high side part, and I'm loving it. I didn't want to do a middle part. That is just pretty much so boring. I'm loving the swoop that I did, and I literally cannot wait to wear this out, because I am wearing it out. This unit is gorgeous, and take my pictures. The links for this gorgeous wig will be in the description box for you to purchase, so don't forget to check that out. The unit is really nice and soft. The texture of this hair is just pretty much your average virgin hair texture, and I'm loving everything about this unit. So if you'd like to purchase, I would highly recommend. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.